Hello guys, I'm Paramveer Singh. Today I'm talking about how to handle hazardous material in the laboratory. What is hazardous materials? Hazardous materials is the substance which could adversely affect to the public, handler and carrier during transportation. There are different kinds of hazardous materials like some are flammables, corrosives, explosives, pathogenics, biohazards, etc. Now we are talking about the storage of the hazardous material. We have to store the hazardous material separately from the work area in a proper manner. We have to store the hazardous material according to their storage conditions. Like some hazardous materials are flammable, so we have to store that flammable hazardous material away from heat and sunlight. Every hazardous materials have their own label, so we have to check the label properly while handling the hazardous material. Labels are the most important thing to every hazardous material. Labels will tell us that how hazard that material is it. Label will tell us how to handle the chemical material, how to handle the hazardous material. And every hazardous material while we handling we have to use the personal protective equipments. So label will tell us which protective equipments we have to wear while handle the particular chemical. Labels will also tell us how to respond to the emergencies while handling the chemical material or hazardous material. There are the different kinds of personal protective equipments which we have to wear while handling the particular chemical or particular hazardous material. There are different kind of personal protective equipments like mask, face shield, helmet, gloves, uh, safety shoes, lab coat, apron, etc. Now we are talking about the safety tips which we have to follow while handling the hazardous material. First and foremost thing which I am already talking about in the previous slides, that we have to wear the personal protective equipments while we are handling the equipments. This is the main safety tip for the handling, how to handle the chemical hazardous materials. While handling the chemical hazardous material, we should know about the what is the ingredient in it. Like we should know that what is the characteristics and the nature of the chemical. Follow the safe procedures while you handle the hazardous material. Don't take shortcuts. Another thing is that don't combine or mix any chemical hazardous material unless you know how to do it safely, because some hazardous materials while you are combining they produce or release the poisonous gas or fumes. As I mentioned in the previous slide, we have to store the hazardous material accordingly and properly. For example, every hazardous material has their own storage conditions. For example, flammable materials, we have to store that flammable materials in the cool and dry place. Always wash your hands before and after handling the hazardous material. Be aware about the chemical hazardous material if you are in contact with. For example, if the hazardous material contact with your skin, you have to wash that part of the body for 20 minutes in a running cool water. And lastly, always carry chemical hazardous material in approved containers. Thank you guys.